Can you get Shift Lock on Roblox Mobile? What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see if you can get Shift Lock on Roblox Mobile. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Roblox app. So if you guys didn't know, Shift Lock basically means that it will lock your camera perspective behind the players, and that will allow you to turn by moving your mouse in your PC. But let's see if it is possible to get the Shift Lock on your PC. First thing you're going to do is enter any game mode or experience. So I'm just going to play this random game and start it up. So what you want to do here is start the game, and then from here you could just go ahead and move around your camera. So in order to move, you basically have to turn this joystick, but what you could also do is just push forward and move your camera on the right side of your screen like this. It basically works as a shift lock. But what you can also try to do is tap on this Roblox icon at the top left and then head over to settings. Now on the camera mode, as you can see, the default one is to follow. And if you set this to classic, as you can see here, if I move around, the camera will follow me as well. And I'm also able to move around here with the on the right part of my screen. Now you can play around with the camera angles and then camera modes. So if you just set this to default follow, it will just follow you around. So this is the closest thing that you can get to shift locked on Roblox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.